2016 Corvette Stingray. 6.2 liter. Cooling fan was staying on. Pull the codes. P0067. The mass airflow?
Yeah.
Alright.
You gotta be approved.
Yeah, I sent it up. How much is it?
How much, man? I want to say $17, I want to say. I don't know.
$17?
I don't know.
Anyway, mass airflow. I pulled the mass airflow, checked the pins. All the pins were good. But then I got to looking at the end. See that? Oil. Oil. Got down inside there. And it kind of fried that little element right there. So, yep. So I'll put a new mass airflow in it, put the intake back on, and we'll be good to go.